All right guys, today I'm cooking one of my favorite side dishes. It's honey roasted carrots. To start this recipe out, I've got a warm pan here and I've melted some butter in it, probably about a tablespoon or so of butter. Now I'm putting these carrots directly in the pan because I like them just a little bit crisp, a little bit of a snap to it. If you want some soft carrots, before you do this step, you'll want to steam them, for maybe 5 minutes or so, just until they start to get a little bit soft. Add just a little bit of salt and just a little bit of pepper. All right, so I'm gonna throw some extra butter in here. We're gonna roast these at about 400 degrees on the Artisan oven, probably for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, these carrots have been in for about 15 minutes and they're starting to get some color on there, so they're looking great. So I'm just gonna drizzle some of this honey on here. I think you probably don't wanna overdo it because you can always add more. We're just gonna give that a shake for a little bit before we throw it back in. You can also do a similar thing with maple syrup and brown sugar. That's really just a sweetener, but I really like the honey. The carrots have been in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes with the honey. They're looking good, they're smelling good, so you gotta take a look at these. That looks awesome right there. Be sure to check out this recipe along with a bunch of other recipes for our pizza ovens at campchef.com.